Ay, teacher po. Sige, teacher. Para sa pagsasabit ng medal. Kasama ko yung parents.
Kaya
ayan po. Ayan po. Kapag tinawag ko po yung pangalan, maglalakad po dito sa harap, kasama yung parents nila, at sasabitan ko kayo ng medal. Guided by Miss Nora, yung teacher. Ayan. Okay. For our first, si Samantha Aho. Congratulations to Miss Samantha for completing the grade 10 level. Ayan. Good luck sa next grade. Picture po, taga-picture.
nag-graduation may... Iya, saan yung medal mo? Suot mo.
Ayan. Thank you po at congratulations. Next po, we have Elvin Aliligan. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin siya. Walang mas malakas na palakpak dyan. Ayan. Congratulations po for completing the grade 10 level. Ayan.
Pwede ka dun.
Next, we have Eunice Badjang. Okay, palakpakan naman natin siya. Saan po si Eunice Badjang? Ayan, dito na parents po.
Bet.
Palakpakan dyan. Ayan, thank you. Congratulations po, Miss Eunice, for completing the grade 10 level. Ayan, thank you. Next po, we have Nicole Celestino. Ayan, palakpakan naman. Yung mas malakas. Ayan. Ayan, congratulations po, Miss Eunice and Miss Nicole for completing the grade 10 level. Ayan. Thank you po so much. Next, we have Rhea Dadula. Ayan. Napakaganda naman ni Miss Rhea.
Oh, punta ka na dun.
Ay, wala pang parents si Miss Rhea. Kaiwan. Ayan, napakaganda din ni Mommy. Congratulations po for completing the grade 10 level. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Ayan. Thank you po so much. Next, we have Precious Dow. Ayan. Ayan. Congratulations po, Precious, for completing the grade 10 level. Thank you po so much. Next, we have Ayesha Dolor. Palakpakan naman natin.
Di ba galing yan sa McLaurin?
Academic achiever, dalawa.
Oo nga!
Isa lang pala.
Galing sa McLaurin.
Ayan.
25 pesos.
Congratulations po, Miss Ayesha, for completing the grade Kaida. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Ayan, thank you so much. Next, we have Michael Saino. Ayan. Ano na yung reaction ng Michael? Ayan, congratulations po, Miss Michael, for completing the grade 10 level. Ayan, congratulations. Next, we have Hannah Villamero. Ayan, Apakalantina. Dalawa. Academic achiever. Ayan, congratulations po. Ayan. Thank you po. Next, we have Samantha Villarin. Ayan. Congratulations po, Miss Samantha, for completing the grade 10 level. Ayan. Ayan, thank you so much. Next po, we have Daniel Ilarmo. Ayan. Napaka-pogi lang si Daniel. Congratulations po for completing the grade 10 level. Yung parents po magsasabit po, Kuya Daniel. Ayan. Thank you po so much. Next naman po, we have Gabriel Ilarmo. Congratulations po for completing the grade 10 level. Ayan, thank you. Next, we have Jairo Sikat. Ayan, palakpakan natin. Ang mas malakas. Ayan. Thank you so much, Kuya Jairo. Next, we have Cyborg Olfato. Ayan. Congratulations po, Kuya Cyborg, for completing the grade 10 level. Ayan. Thank you so much and congratulations. Next, we have Cedric Maloloy On. Ayan, congratulations po, Kuya Cedric. Ang last po ay si Kuya MJ Rigalado. Best in photography. Ayan, congratulations po, Kuya MJ. Ayan. Congratulations po sa lahat ng students. Hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang grade